Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 extended from October-November 2020. 058022 is the component and syllabus code, right? So you know the instructions. So let's start. Question 1. Write 200,017 in figures. 200,000. We have thousands place here. Then we have the other ones here. So 217. So this is going to be in the answer column here. 217. Right? Now insert one pair of bracket to make this calculation correct. So our answer is supposed to be 9. So we need to insert brackets and see which one will work here. So if I put bracket in here, so that will be 7 minus 5 minus, this is going to be 7. So that is negative 5. So this is not going to work. So let's try another one. So if you put bracket here, so now this is going to be 7 minus 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 4. Now 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So that's working. So that means our bracket should be here, right? Now number 3, solve the equation. So we need to solve this one. And so 6 3x, shift 2 to other side, this is going to be 2x, so 6 equals to 5x, divide by 5, divide by 5. So from here we have x equals to 6 over 5, so that can be written as 1 over 5. So answer is 6 over 5 or 1 over 5. Try to write down as a mixed number, right? Question 4, you can see a diagram here. The diagram shows a triangle drawn between a pair of parallel lines. So we have this and this pair of parallel line. Find the value of x and value of y. So we can start with x. So if you see here along x, for the x, you see this is a C shape here, right? So that means these are co-interior angles between the parallel lines. So co-interior angles add up to 180. So x plus 120 will be 180. So x is going to be 180 minus 120, which is 60 degrees. So x we got 60. Now let's see how we can find out y. So if you go along this way, if you see, you can see this Z shape here. So that means this angle and this angle are equal. So what is this angle here? This is x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 140 because they are alternate angles, and x we have 60. From here you can find out y. So y is going to be 140 minus 60, which is 80. So y is 80 degrees. Right? Now number 5, increase 42 by 16%. So that means we are looking for, we are increasing, so that means 100 plus 16. So we are actually looking for 116% of 42, right? So let's calculate that one. 116 times 42 divided by 100. So this is 48.72. So this can be written as 116 over 100 times 42, that I got here 48.72. So that is the answer here, 48.72. Question number 6, factorize completely. So we need to factorize this. First we will look for the numbers. So we have 4 here, 8 here. For that we have 4 common, and variable is only in this side, so we don't have any variable. So when 4 goes out, we have 1 left here, and this is 2 times 4, 4 is gone. So 8 is actually 2 times 4, 4 is out, so we have 2x. So that is all for this. So this is going to be the final answer for this one, right? Now number 7, you can see a triangle here. So this triangle, we have given height here and length is given. The area of triangle ABC is 27 centimeter and AB is 6. Calculate the area. So now you know that area of triangle is equal to half times base times height, and this is given to us as 27 centimeter squared. So half times base is 6 and height we don't know, that we need to calculate, is 27. So 2 times 3, so we got 3h equals to 27. So h is 3, 27 over 3, 9. So h is going to be 9 centimeters, right? Now question number 8, calculate the size of one interior angle of a regular polygon with 40 sides. So we are given number of sides, n is 40 here, right? So we have formula that interior angle is equal to 180 minus 360 over n, that is number of sides. So 180 minus 360 over 40, right? So 4 times 9, 36. So 180 minus 9. So that is 171. So interior angle is 171 degrees, right? Question number 9, we have simultaneous equations here. So solve the simultaneous equation. So you see here coefficient of x is 2 and here coefficient is 3, but here we have 1 we can and sign is different, so you can just add them. When you add this, negative and positive get cancelled. 3 plus 2 is 5x, 7 plus 8 it is 15. So x is going to be 15 divided by 5, which is 3. So we got x as 3, right? Now for y, you can take any of these equations. I'm taking first one, 2x plus y equals to 7, and then you can replace x by 3. So this is 6 plus y equals to 7, y equals to 7 minus 6, that is 1. So value of y is 1, right? Now that is number 9. Number 10, without using calculator, work out this fraction. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form, right? So let me rewrite. This is 5 divided by 6, 1 over 3. So this can be written as, when you break up this, 3 times 1 plus 1, right? So 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4 over 3. Okay, now 5 over 6, change this sign to multiply. So this is 3 over 4. So we can simplify. So 5 times 1 is 5, 4 times 2 it is 8. So our final answer is 5 over 8. This is already in simplest form, there is nothing to do. Right, now number 11, simplify this. Now we will first multiply numbers by the number. 2 times 5 it is 10, and then times x power 2 plus 5. Because there is a multiplication sign in the middle, we will add that. So 10x power 7. So 10x power 7 is the final answer of this question number 11. Question number 12. Alex and Chris share sweets in the ratio 7:3. Alex receives 20 more sweets than Chris, right? Work out the number of sweets Chris received. So we have here Alex and Chris, right? Alex is 7:3 for the Chris. Alex receives 20 more than Chris. Let's say Chris receives x. Okay, so then this receives 20 more. That means x plus 20. So x plus 20 will go here. So now we can just cross multiply for that. 7 times x is 7x So this is going to 3 into x plus 20, right? So this is 7x equals to 3x plus 60. 7x minus 3x equals to 60. This is 4x equals to 60. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So this is 15. So 15, what was that? That is for Chris. That was the question. Work out number of sweets Chris receives. So he receives 15. What is that? Sweets, right? Now number 13. Question number 13. The length of one side of rectangle is 12 centimeters. The length of the diagonal of the rectangle is 13. So let me just draw a rough diagram for that. So he said length of diagonal is 13 centimeters and one side is 12 centimeter. Calculate the area of the rectangle. Now area of the rectangle is length times width. So that means we need to have width here. So which we don't know actually. So I can write it down as W. So as you know that this rectangle will have right angle here. So we can use Pythagoras theorem here. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have 13 square diagonal square equals to sum of square of other two, right? So this is 169 equals to 144 plus W square. So 169 minus 144, which is 25 square root. So W is going to be 5 centimeter, right? So we have this, we got 5 centimeter. Now area of rectangle is going to be length times width, that is 12 times 5, which is 60. So final answer is going to be 60 centimeter squared, right? Now number 14, work out 3 times 10 power 199 and 2 times this, we need to add that. Give your answer as standard form. So first of all, to add them we should have same number here, right? So we have 3 times 10 power 90, 199, and plus we have 2 times 201. So I can write it down as 199 to make this same for that, and 10 power 2 separately, right? So when you add, this will become 201. So now out of this we have 10 power 199 common. So this is common here, this is common here, this will go out. So inside we have 3 plus 2 times this 10 squared, which is 100. 100 times 2, it is 200. So this is going to be 10 power 99 times 203, right? So we are not done here because our answer should be in standard form. So 203, let me rewrite this one first. So decimal now is here. So we are moving 2 places on towards left hand side. So this will become 2.03 times 10 powers again. So we are going to add. So this will become the final answer, 2.03 times 10 raised to power 201, right? Question number 15, calculate the area of this sector of the circle. So now we know the formula, area of sector is equal to theta over 360 times pi r squared. Theta is 60 over 360 pi and r is 7.5 squared. So this is 6. So this is going to be 1 over 6 times pi times 7.5 times 7.5. I have already calculated this one. This comes out to be 29.5. So our final answer is going to be 29.5 centimeters squared. Now question number 16. The selling price of a shirt is $26.50. This includes the tax. This includes the tax of 6%. Calculate the price of the shirt before the tax was added. So that means, try to get it. This price of the shirt includes 6% tax. So that means this is less than 6% of the original price is added here. So this can be written as 100 minus 6, which is 94. So 94% of this will be the original price. So 94% of 26.50. So it is 94 over 100 times 26.50. So let's see how much is that. This is 94 times 26.50 divided by 100, 24.91. So this is decimal here, 24.91. We can write down approximately $25, right? Question number 17. We have a graph here, speed time graph. The diagram shows speed time graph for first 40 seconds of cycle, right? Find the acceleration between 20 and 40 seconds. So acceleration between 20 and 40 is here. So now you know that acceleration is equal to speed over time. So speed in this time period is from here to here, which is 4 minus 2. So that is 2, right? And time taken is 20, from 20 to 40. 40 minus 20 is 20, right? So 2 over 20, that is 1 over 10 or 0.1. So 0.1 meter per second squared. Okay. Now part B, find the distance traveled. So now you know that distance traveled is equal to area under a graph, right? So distance, total distance. So we have all this area, right? Now this area can be divided into 3 parts. The first one is here, the triangle. Second one we have here, rectangle. And third one is here, the trapezium, right? So we are going to add all these 3 areas. So first of all, area of the triangle. Area of triangle is half times base. Base is here 10 times 2. So this is actually 10 meter, right? Now area of this second shape, the first one, the second is area of rectangle. That is length times width, and length here is from here to here it will be 10, and this one is 2. So this is 10 times 2, which is 20 meters, right? Now the third one is a trapezium. So this is the trapezium. So now we have area of trapezium, that is for the thingy. So area of trapezium, please bear with my handwriting, that is half a plus b times height. Half a is the parallel sides. One is here, which is 2, and another one is 4, right? So this is 2 plus 4, and the height is this one here, which is 20, right? So this is 10, 2 plus 4, 6 times 10, it is 60 meters. So now the total distance we are going to add, that is 10 plus 20 plus 60, which is 90 meters. So that is going to be our final answer, 90 meters. Okay. Now number 18. One side of an isosceles triangle. The sides of an isosceles triangle are measured to correct to nearest millimeters. One side has length of 8.2 and another has length of 9.4 centimeters. Find the largest possible value of the perimeter of this triangle. So now you know that perimeter is sum of the sides, right? So we are looking for the largest possible. So that means there are two possible for the perimeter. So it may be 8.2 plus 8.2 plus 9.4 if these two sides are equal. And second, if 9.4 this side has 2. So we are looking for actually the largest possible. So we will choose this one. Okay, so not the previous the upper one. So for that, first of all, you need to find out the largest possible value. So length 1 will be 8.2 centimeter and we are looking for the nearest millimeters. So we need to add 0.05. So that is 8.25 centimeters, and length 2 is going to be 9.4 centimeter plus 0.05. So this is 9.45 centimeters. Okay, so length 3 will be again 9.45. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter is 9.45 plus 9.45 plus 8.25. When you add them together, we are getting here 27.15. So this is going to be the final answer for that. Okay. Question 19. We have a triangle here. Calculate the value of x. So we can see we have two sides here, one angle and one we are looking for. So we can easily use sine rule here. By sine rule, we have a over sine a. So I can take sine of 100 over side opposite is 9, and then sine of x and side opposite to that is 8. So actually we are looking for value of x. Now cross multiply. So this is sine x times 9 equals to 8 times sine of 100. Divide by 9, divide by 9. So you have here sine x equals to 8 sine 100 over 9. X will be sine inverse of 8 sine 100 over 9. You just calculate it with the calculator. Let us see. This is coming out to be 61.04. So 61.04 is the final answer, right? Now calculate the area of the triangle. So now for the area of the triangle, we will use the formula area of triangle, that is half. For the non-right angle triangle, we have this formula half times AB. The sides which are given to us, sides are 8 and 9, right? Times 8 times 9 times sine of C. Now what is C here? C is going to be this angle, because we have taken these two sides, so we are taking this one. So x is here 61 point, let me just round it off, 61. So then C is going to be 180 minus 100 plus 61, right? So that will give us this angle, so which is coming out 180 minus 61, 180 minus 161, which is 19. So C is 19. So 2 times 4, 4 times 9 is 36 sine 19. So 36 times sine a 19 sine of 19, which is 11.72. 11.72. That is the answer of this question. Now number 20. A model of a statue has height of 4 centimeters. The volume of the model is this. So this is the height and this is the volume, right? The volume of the statue is given to us. Calculate the height of the statue. Now the statue and the model, they will be similar to each other, right? So they are two similar shapes actually. So we are talking about the volume. So let's say volume 1 over volume 2, that will be length 1 over length 2 and cube, right? So volume 1, let's say taking statue is 40,500 over the model. So we are looking for the height of the model. So volume of the statue is this one and volume of the model is 12, right? So now this is the volume of statue. So length of statue, we are looking for the height of the statue. So that means that, let's say that is x and the other one is given to us x over 4. So and cube of that, right? So now we can do this 40,500 divided by 12, which is 3375 equals to x cube over 4 cubed, right? So from here when you cross multiply, so x cubed is going to be 3375 times 4 cubed and x is cube root of this. Okay, so let's calculate that one. Cube root of this, so I am getting it 60, right? So this is going to be 60 centimeters. Question 21. Before you start the question, let me request you guys to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Please support by subscribing and share it with your friends and press the like button if you like the video. So let's do number 21a. Differentiate this. So I can just give name y equals to 4x minus x squared. Differentiate dy over dx. Derivative of constant is 0 minus 2x. So this is 4 minus 2x. So 4 minus 2x is final answer. Find the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. So turning point is always given when derivative is 0. For the turning point, we will take dy over dx equals to 0. And we have already calculated dy over dx is 4 minus derivative is 0. So from here, if we take this to other side, divide by 2, divide by 2. So this is 2. So that means x is 2 from here, right? When x is 2, what is the value of y? So x is 2 here. So what is y? Y is 6 plus 4x minus x squared. Just replace x, plug in the value 4 times 2 minus 2 square. 6 plus 8 minus 4. 14 minus 4, it is 10. So 2 and 10 is the turning point of this graph. Number 22, this is question from vectors. The diagram shows triangle OAB. OAB is here and straight line OAC, which is here. So OA to OC is 2 to 5, right? So OA is this one here and this is our OC, 2 to 5, right? And M is midpoint of AB. OA is A, OB is B. Find in terms of A and B, its simplest form AB. So from A to B, so A to B we are moving from here to here like this, right? So that means you can go AO plus OB. So AB will be equals to AO, vector AO plus OB, right? Now OA is given A then it will be negative a plus this is b. So answer is negative a plus b, right? Now next is MC. We are looking for MC. Now MC, where is MC? MC, okay, we need to draw a line here, this one here, MC. To go from M to C, let me write it down here. MC will be MA plus AC. Let me show you from diagram. MA is MC is equal to MA going this way plus AC, right? So now AC is like, you see, this is total is 5. This total is 5. So this is going to be 3, right? So that means AC will be 3 over 2 of AC. This A. So MA is half of AB because M is midpoint. M is half of, it is negative half of this one, negative A plus B, right? Plus AC. AC is going to be 3 by 2 of A. So let's just solve that. So open the bracket. This is half A minus half B plus 3 by 2 A. So when you add this, 3 plus 1 4, 4 over 2 is 2, 2 minus half B. So 2A minus half B is answer for this one. Number 23, write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we need to solve this. We can do this step by step. So let's see. We have here, let me rewrite this, 2 over 1 minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 1. Right? So LCM is x minus 1. So that is going to be 2x plus 1 minus, then this is 1 here. So we can just write down like this. So when you open the bracket, this is 2x plus 2 minus 2x minus minus plus over x minus 1. This 2x and 2x positive negative are gone. 2 plus 1 is 3 over x minus 1. This is x plus 1. Yeah. So 3 over x plus 1. Right? So done for this one. Now number 24, a line from the point 2, 3 is perpendicular to this line. Two lines meet at point P. So let me just draw a rough diagram. So these are two perpendicular lines. So this line, let's say we have this y equals to 1 over 3x plus 1. A line from point, let's say this is point 2, 3 is perpendicular to this line, which is y line here. Two lines meet at point P. So this is the point where they meet. Find the coordinates of P. So we are actually looking for these coordinates, right? So now let's say we have first given equation is 1 over 3x plus 1. So slope for this one is 1 over 3, right? Comparing it with y equals to mx plus c form. So m is 1 over 3. So slope of or gradient of perpendicular line to this will be negative 3, because m1 times m2 is equal to negative 1. So then you can find out slope of the other line. So then equation of perpendicular will be y equals to mx, which is negative 3x plus c. Okay, so now we don't know what is c, but we know this line passes through. This passes through 2, 3. So we can replace 3 2 3 plus 5 c. So we got c as 8. Sorry, I think, yeah, silly mistakes. 3 times 2, it is 6, not 5. C is 9 here. So we got from here C as 9, right? So then equation of perpendicular is y equals to negative 3x plus 9, right? So we have this line now. And now we are looking intersecting point of these two lines. So for the intersecting, this is one line. The another line was given to us negative 1 over 3x plus 1. So they intersect. So that means we can replace the values here. So that means if left hand side is equal to, the right hand side will also be equal, plus 1. So bringing this here, negative 3x minus 1 over 3x is 1 minus 9, which is negative 8. So 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, it is going to be 10, negative 10 over 3x. So that means x is 8, negative 8 times 3 over negative 10, which is 8 times 3, this is gone 2.4, right? So x we got 2.4. So once you got x, we can easily get the value of y. You can take any of the equations. I will take the without fraction. This was 9. So negative 3 times 2.4 plus 9. This comes out to be 1.8. So this is the intersecting point. So go step by step, slowly you will reach to the conclusion. Question number 25, solve equation tan x equals to 2 for the value of x. So tan x is 2. So x is tan inverse 2. So let me see. Tan inverse 2. Tan inverse 2. This is 63.43. 63.43. But we are looking all angles between these. So one angle is 63.43, right? So now 63.43 is in the first quadrant. Okay, so this is after school to college. So here is tan positive. Tan positive means we have another angle here, 63.43 here. But we are looking from here. So this is 180. So this is x1, then x2 will be 180 plus 63.43, which is 243.43. 243.43, right? So that's it. Now number 26, this is the last question of this paper. I hope you guys are getting everything. Please like, share and subscribe it with your share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching. So let's finish up this. What is common from here is u. X minus 2 is inside. Common from here is 1, x minus 2. So this is u square. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So common is x minus 2. And we have u plus 1, u minus 1. This is gone. So this is our final answer, right? So x minus 2, u plus 1. That's it. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Keep in touch for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.